So this is ancient Nicomedia, and this is a museum for it. Some Christian stuff there, but everything else is behind the building. Well, let's take a look. As you walk in, you'll see the prominent Islamic stuff that comes later. Some of these turbans, they all show what type of person, what kind of position they had. And then like one like this up here with the flower on it would be a woman's grave. But these are the tops of the graves. So this was ancient, one of the ancient provincial capitals of the Christianity. But as I said, most of the Christian history is hidden in the backyard. And this Archeological Museum of Kocaeli, the Christian stuff is, first of all, here in this section, some Christian lamps. And then when you come in this area, one of the millstones, not the milestones, but the millstones here have Christian writing on it. Then actually you have to go back here. On this wall back here is where a lot of the panels, cross panels are. This section here actually is Armenian gravestones and some other, and there's a large Christian panel from a church back in this area, but most of this area is not available to go into. It's where a lot of the recent statues with coloring on them are located, and very fascinating to see, and the artwork is very unbelievable, really. Inside the museum, you can see these, especially these are all maps with Christian figures there. The cross is there, and the cross is over there on that one. You can see in that day and age how the different symbols, how they put on the symbols of whatever you believed, whatever you trusted, whatever your superstitious beliefs were. Then there came the image of the cross on many of these later on.